Jai Gurudatta, dear Sanmarga Sadhaks. During this pandemic times and during this lockdowns, lot of people have lost their beloved. It's truly understandable that their loss is irreplaceable and colossal. But they should also understand one thing: living in grief is not the way of life. Their beloved who have left them here are not going to feel happy that their beloved are living in grief. During these lockdowns, many have lost a lot of financial opportunity, a lot of financial loss has happened. But we also need to understand one thing: as long as we have life, the most precious gift for any living organism, as long as we have life, we need to understand we have the divine and the most supreme power, and through that we can build, rebuild anything and everything. People who have lost their most beloved, though the loss is irreplaceable, they have to live on for their people who love them the most. Life has to go on. So, this meditation will definitely help you come out of this grief. Grief is a very, very heavy emotion. Living with that is not easy. Coping with that is not easy. But when the realization of the beauty of life strikes in, we all know that we are a gift to humanity. We are a gift to humanity. As long as we have life, the most precious thing in the world, life, we are a gift to the humanity. So this meditation will allow you to experience that life, the bubbling life, and help you overcome that grief. I know, because you are in grief or you are in loss, it's very difficult for the mind to concentrate. It's very difficult for the mind to focus. But the good thing is, you don't have to worry. This meditation will slowly draw you in. And after a couple of times of doing this, you will experience an innate bliss, an innate strength, an innate urge to move on, to live your life as a gift to humanity, because you are born to succeed, because you are designed to succeed. Jai Gurudatta. Now close your eyes, put on the headphones, and just relax. Keep your eyes closed. Sit in a comfortable, relaxed, and a disciplined way. Keep your palms open. Continue with a steady, rhythmic, deep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम तत्सत। श्री गणेशाय नमः। गुरुमण्डलरूपिणी राजराजेश्वरी आवाहयामि। हे जगदम्बिके, क्षीर सागर से उद्भव है सो उस दिव्य स्वरूप, चिदग्नि कुंड संभूता, देवकार्य समन्विता। जगदम्बा, मेरे सारे दुख को मिटा देना। लेट ऑल ग्रीफ बी रिलीज्ड आउट ऑफ मी एंड लेट मी ग्रो इम्यून टू ग्रीफ। ह्रीं आहून देहे दा आहाहु हे दा आहाहु हे दा। हे जगदम्बिके, चिदग्नि कुंड संभूता, मैं आपको चिदग्नि कुंड स्वाहाकार से अर्पण करूँगा। ये मेडिटेशन जो भी सुनेगा उनकी सारे ग्रीफ, सारे दुख आप मिटाते रहना और उनको सदृढ़ और सक्षम बनाते जाना। हामादारी धीं क्लीं सौः स्वाहा मारे रे रे री 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 ओम रीं दीं स्वाहा। काहू मेरे दीं क्लीं दीरीं दीरी दीं 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 दीरी दीं स्वाहा। ॐ ऐं क्लीं रूं तां ह्रीं सौं स्वाहा। कां ह्रीं क्लूं ह्रूं ह्रैं दीं ॐ ह्रैं द्रीं द्लुं द्लें द्लां द्रित् द्रीं द्रुं दुं दैं क्लं स्वाहा। क्रीं द्रीं क्लीं क्लूं ह्रूं द्रौं ईं ह्रूं स्वाहा। अं दं क्लीं दं सं दं यं दं पं रं दं नं कं क्लीं सौं दूं सौं स्वाहा। कामः गसः महः पसः महः प हम क्लां क्लीं द्रीं रूं रूं ह्रीं ग्लूं क्रैं द्रें ह्रूं द्रौं ह्रूं ऐं ऐं स्वाहा। क्लीं साहां साहीं साहुं ह्रीं क्लीं द्रुं द्रुं ऐं द्रुं क्लीं द्रुं स्रौं ह्रूं सौं स्वाहा। ह्रीं दीं ह्रीं दीं 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 स्वाहा। अं क्लीं दम ह्रीं धूम रूम दैं ह्रीं क्लीं सौं हां हीं हूं ह्रीं ऐं ह्रूं हौं स्वाहा। हे जगदम्बिके, ग्रीफ दुख भले कितनी भी बड़ा क्यों ना हो, आपकी दिव्य मोहन मंगल स्वरूप की याद से ही सारे दुख मिट जाते हैं। लेकिन हे जगदम्बा, मैनकाइंड इज ए गिफ्ट to all life forms. You have blessed this mankind with extreme capacity to connect with the cosmic intelligence. हे जगदम्बिके, बुद्धि प्रचोदनं कुरुं कुरुं, मम बुद्धि प्रचोदनं कुरुं कुरुं। इस मेडिटेशन जो भी सुनते हैं, उन सब के अंदर I am born to succeed. I am a gift to humanity. दुख के बदले इस आत्मविश्वास को स्थापना कर देना। ह्रीं क्लीं ह्रूं द्रैं स्वाहा। आं क्రైं क्रों द्रूं प्रूं द्रैं दां द्रीं दैं ह्रूं द्लं क्लीं स्लौं श्रीं सैं स्वाहा। आहुं दें सा 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 स्वाहा। क्रीं क्रौं क्रां क्रक्रूं क्षं टं लं क्लं दं अं पं क्लं मं सं कटं क्लों त्रें लूं ग्लूं प्लें प्रैं प्लुं प्रां प्लं स्वाहा। आहुं दे हीं दे दूहूं दे देहूं दे क्लीं देरीं दैं दूरूं दौ दह 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 दुह 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 दं द्लौं द्रें दां क्रं दं सं प्रं दं सं प्रां प्रं धं सं स्वाहा। हे जगदम्बिके, सारे दुःखनाशिनी आनंद राजराजेश्वरी आनंदम कुरुं कुरुं। हरे हरे रे द रे द हरे द द रे रे सा हरे द द रे सा द रे रे सा दे रे दे रे दे रे दे रे दे रे aham dirim de 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 dim 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 sa 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 ह्रीं दीं सौं आनन्दम् 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 आनन्दराज राजेश्वरी आनन्दम् 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 हे जगन्नाथ, भावभय नाशिनी, दुःख नाशिनी, आनंदम कुरु कुरु। आनंदम 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 Now slowly open your eyes. Feel yourself. Don't look here and there. Just feel yourself. And slowly also be aware of the outside surrounding world. May you be happy, peaceful and ecstatic all your life. Jai Gurudatta, Jai Gurudatta, Jai Gurudatta.